Good day, everyone. Check which app is using the location service of your phone. So, to do that, we need to go to the settings, and in settings, you will find below security and privacy, you will find location, and you will find app permissions and recent access. And if you go to the app permission, you will find all the apps which are using the location service in your phone. Now, by any chance, if you do not want to share the location service, you just need to select that and just click on Don't Allow. And I would recommend to go to the recent access and click on See All, and you will have a list of apps which are using the location. So if you do not want Instagram to check or use your location, to select Don't Allow. And this is how you can stop the location service for particular app. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.